terrorist attacks, economic recession, national disasters. Think of all the crimes and the worst thing that could happen. Nothing compares to corruption and what it does to a country. A nation can survive all sorts of uncertainty, but will not endure the impact of corruption. Speak up now. Say no to all forms of corruption.
Special report.
Today's special report, we have Austrian Ambassador to Thailand, Her Excellency Eva Harga, discussing twin concerts commemorating 150 years of Thai-Austrian friendship. This special report is presented by the Public Relations Department.
Austria and Thailand this year are celebrating 150 years of Thai-Austrian friendship, commemorating the auspicious occasion with a joint concert. The concert will be held jointly by various institutes from both nations, including Austrian Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Thailand's Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Thailand's Ministry of Culture, the University of Music and Performing Arts, Vienna, and the Princess Kalayaniwattana Institute of Music. Austrian Ambassador to Thailand, Her Excellency Eva Harga, said during a press conference that twin concert will be held on June the 23rd in Vienna and July the 14th in Bangkok, featuring song performances by world-renowned Austrian composers and conductors, as well as a youth orchestra from Thailand.
It's of special significance because it is